In this quick video, I am going to show you how to do heavy combo in WWE 2K25. So it is really easy. First of all, we need to find the key combinations required for performing heavy combo. So to find it, we need to press the main menu key on our controller. Once you press it, now go to combos section and here you will find all the key combinations required for performing any combo. You can switch the combo type from here. For that, just use these keys and you can switch the combo type. Currently this is towards combo. You can see away combos here. For the sake of this video, we will see neutral combos. So all the heavy combos ends with A on Xbox, X on PlayStation and K on PC. Currently I am seeing here all the Xbox controls because I am playing on my Xbox controller. If you are on your PlayStation, then you will see all of the PlayStation controls. Similarly, if you are on PC, then you will see all the PC controls here. So let me just show you a quick combo here. So I want to perform this double X handle 11. So to do that, we need to press double X and then double A on my Xbox controller. If you are on PlayStation, then the key combination will be shown here. So firstly, I need to go back from here. So let me just try this combo. Firstly, I need to press double X and then double A, and there you go. I have successfully performed this double X handle 11 combo. Now this time we will perform this gut punch 5 combo. For that I need to press 3 times X and then A. So I just need to wake my opponent up and then we need to press 3 times X just like this and then A. And you can see the heavy combo has been performed successfully once again. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.